Tired of seeing that Peachtree Accounting icon cluttering your desktop even though you barely use it? Let's quickly remove that Peachtree Accounting shortcut, freeing up your digital workspace. First, locate the Peachtree Accounting icon. On your desktop it might also be labeled Sage 50. Click on the icon, and while holding down the mouse button, drag it to your recycle bin or trash can. Release the mouse button to drop it in. This only removes the shortcut, not the entire program. Now, if you want to completely uninstall the Peachtree Accounting software, here's how. Click on the Windows Start button, typically located in the lower left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, select Control Panel. On some systems, you may need to search for Control Panel in the search bar. In the Control Panel, look for Programs and Features, or Add or Remove Programs. Depending on your Windows version, click on it. A list of all the programs installed on your computer will appear. Scroll through the list until you find Peachtree Accounting or Sage 50. Click on it to select it. Once selected, you should see an Uninstall button appear. Sometimes it's called Uninstall Change. Click on that button. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the uninstallation process. This might involve confirming your decision or answering a few questions. Once the process is complete, Peachtree Accounting will be completely removed from your computer. That's all there is to it. You've successfully removed the Peachtree Accounting shortcut and, if you chose, the entire program.